Dear students, this is a talk on fitness and wellness through sports. You may be wondering why I was given an opportunity to speak to you. You have seen me teaching physics in classroom regularly, but before becoming PGT Physics, I have been involved in sports almost half of my life. 30 years I practiced the sports and I participated in various levels like district, state, intercollegiate, inter-universities and even nationals. And I was the coach for National Senior Boys of Madhya Pradesh. I thank my principal and my physical education teacher Hari Kiran who have given this opportunity to interact with you regarding the sports which is not regularly done as a part of my duty in classroom. Dear students, to talk about sports, one thing comes to my mind. The major challenge nowadays is pollution. We are coming across all types of pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, etc. But out of all, to me, the most worried pollution is mind pollution. Nowadays, the state of mind of the human beings is completely filled with selfishness. Nobody is ready to do the work for others. When you want to leave this selfishness, the only simple solution is to practice sports and games. Many students are playing games through computers. It gives just the reverse effect what we get from the sports in the ground. The old saying, sound mind is always there in sound physics. What it tells us, if you are healthy, you can think in a better way. You can be the better citizen of the country. You can serve for the country. Then what are the steps to take to improve your health or to improve your fitness? It is very difficult to do the exercises regularly, framing a timetable. Methodically, if you want to do the exercises, it is a difficult task. The simplest and possible thing to do involving the exercises is playing games and sports. The exercise, the fitness, the mental fitness, the physical fitness, everything comes as an integral part of sports. The main advantages of the sports, the first one, you will never have any physical or mental imbalances. Nowadays, throughout the world, you are watching that many of the youngsters are committing suicides. What's the reason behind it? They are unable to think in a proper way. When you start practicing sports, then it will take care automatically all these kinds of problems. The psychological disorders can be eliminated only through sports and games. The other advantage that you will learn to lose. It is one of the basic fundamental thing that no teacher will tell you how to lose. But it is damn sure that in all our lives that we always cannot win everything. So sometimes we have to lose. Then you have to face that situation with confidence. To face the situation of confidence when you are losing the things can be understood only through the games. So that is one of the major advantages from the games and sports that you will get. It is very important in any job, teamwork. Sports will tell you how to build up the team and how to delegate the duties. This is very, very important. Many of us are suffering from lack of this team spirit. So that team spirit will be a byproduct of these sports and games. It is very important to improve your EQ along with our IQ. What is EQ? Emotional quotient. And what is IQ? Intelligent quotient. So previously, to select a person for a particular job, the organization is mainly concentrating on IQ. What is his intelligence quotient? What is her intelligence quotient? But now, along with that IQ, they are observing your emotional quotient. You may be very good at one particular aspect, and if you are not good in working with your team members, then you are fit for nothing in that particular cadre. So, improving EQ is quite possible only through sports. While playing, we will learn many tactics. We will be able to understand the strategies of our opponents, and we improve our concentration, and we make ourselves to hit back the strategies. In that way, you will learn to understand the situational problems and you will find an easy solution for it. So, through sports, you can make your life in a very better and comfortable position. आप सब केंद्रीय विद्यालय में पढ़ते हैं, तो केंद्रीय विद्यालय का एक मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट गोल यही है कि आप सबको ऑलराउंडर्स बना दे. मंच, मैदान और कक्ष. मंच माने आपको स्टेज में चढ़कर हर हिस्से में भाग लेना है. टू पार्टिसिपेट इन ड्रामा, to give the speech, to participate in debates, to organize an event, you will be trained. That is all about the manch, the stage. The next one is Maidan, that is playground. So how to play, how to improve your physical and mental conditions. That can be achieved through games and sports. Next, Kaksh, that is the classroom activities. How to learn the content and how to use this learned content to the outer world. If you want to practice all the three, you must have proper health. So that health will come through the sports and games. So if you are properly following the sports and games, if you are regularly practicing it, then it will take care of the remaining two. It will build up confidence in you so that you can participate in any items like drama and debates, etc. And you can easily organize any event with complete grip on the audience. Similarly, when you are good at sports, it is obvious that you will be good at studies even. Many parents may be thinking that if their ward is playing, then he or she may not be able to get good marks, but it is purely a misconception. You have to play, you have to participate in sports and games. So the concentration will be improved when you participate in sports and games. What the main reason is? The main reason behind that is when you practice these sports and games, then all other ill thoughts will go away from you because you your energy is channelized into sports, then you don't have any that negative energy to think about any bad things. Most often, you will see the students who are not playing games and sports, who are not talking and walking with all other friends, will have these kind of ill thoughts in their minds. There are lot many advantages in this sports and games. The main nowadays the entire world is facing a lot of problems of physical and mental. To eradicate all such kind of things, to improve your fitness and wellness, you have to play, you have to participate in sports and games. ये जिंदगी एक खेल है, कभी जीत है कभी हार है, हार जीत का परवाह न कर, हर चीज को इकरार कर, आगे बढ़ो जिंदगी संभाल कर. Have a nice time in your future. Participate in sports and games. You improve your fitness and wellness. Wish you all the best.